Welcome back to Drop the Box. Today we're going to be showing you how to bleed your brakes with this pressure bleeder. First step is to fill your pressure bleeder with your brake fluid. Put about a litre or so in, and always remember to use the correct brake fluid for the car. So this is .4, this is the most common one, but always check your technical data before filling this up. Now you need to locate your brake reservoir. And what we're going to do is we're going to extract all of the old fluid from the tank. So either use a big syringe like I've got here, or a turkey baster, or something similar to suck the old fluid out. Fill your reservoir with new fluid. Put your pressure bleeder cap on. There's a tight seal, and then connect the pressure bleeder to the cap. What you need to do now is prime. Prime the pressure bleeder up to about 20 psi. Yeah, that's just under 20. So once that's up to pressure, what you can do now is leave it for about 15 minutes. Obviously, right. So what you can do now is take a note of that pressure and leave it for 15 minutes or so. Come back and have a look to make sure the pressure is still the same. So then you've tested then the whole system for any leaks. And obviously, if there are any leaks, the pressure will drop. Now that your pressure bleeder is connected to the reservoir, you need to take your dust cover off your bleed nipple. Then you need to hang your bleed bottle somewhere. And you need to connect the pipe that goes to the bottle over the bleed nipple, like so. And then open the bleed nipple, and the fluid will start to come out. As you can see there, it's moving up the pipe there. So that's all you do then, is just leave it hang there and drain until you can see the clean fluid flow into the bottle and all of the air bubbles have stopped coming out. Now, the beauty of this pressure bleeder is that not only is it pushing all the new fluid through the system, it's also topping it up at the same time. So you've literally just got to connect it, pressurize it, and then just concentrate on bleeding the brakes down by the calipers. And it's really that easy. You just do each corner one by one. Obviously starting from the furthest point from the master cylinder and working your way forward. Once you can see a nice solid flow in the fluid coming through the pipe, and there's no air bubbles, and it looks nice and clean, then you can close the nipple and move on to the next side. So once you've finished going around each corner of the car and bleeding each brake caliper, you need to go back to the brake reservoir, disconnect the pressure bleeder, and make sure the reservoir is fully topped up. Put the cap back on, and that is it. It's simple as that. This is definitely worth the small investment, especially if you're working on your own a lot, because the old sort of way of bleeding brakes used to be a two-man job. One person in the car pressing on the foot pedal, the other one opening the nipples. But honestly, really worth the investment. Just type in brake pressure bleeder on the internet. There's plenty of things that will come up. There's loads of different brands, but they're all basically like this. They're all the same. And well, that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if there's anything you want to see in the future, please leave a little comment and I'm sure we can do something for you. Please stay tuned. There's plenty more content coming up and we'll see you again. Thanks.